Maybe it's Clarice. She's like a woman screaming. It's not Clarice. Oh, don't say that. It's headed south. I want to hear the voice. Don't say that. I just want to see it. I just want to see what it was. Maybe we should stand guard. Yeah, it's a good idea. $2,300. Hope the city account stands strong. No sign of the enemy. What's